All right, so I'm graphing inequalities and I had just found the slope of this problem right here. And the next thing I want to do is find my y-intercept. I can see it is at 0, 0. So I'm ready to write my equation, but this time I'm supposed to put that symbol in instead of a equality symbol. So I am going to write y equals 2x plus 0. And don't put an equal sign because I don't really know. Leave a blank or something. Okay, so now I'm ready to test for shading. And I need to pick a point. Let's see, why don't we pick this point right here? That point is 2, 0. Okay, so I'm going to pick 2, 0. And so that means that I replace the letter y with the number 0, and I'm going to replace the letter x with the number 2, but I'm going to put it in parentheses. So now I just need to simplify this. So that would simplify to 0 blank. Let's see, let's just work with this. 0 blank 4. Well, what symbol do I need to make that true? I know that 0 is less than 4, and we're doing strictly less than. So the symbol I need is the less than symbol. So I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to take my equation. I'm going to replace it with this symbol right here. And this is my inequality. So let's do one more example. I've got a lot of them, but here's one more. And here's a line that's not going through the origin. So I can see it goes through negative 5, 0 right here. And I can see that it goes through 0, negative 5. So let's find the slope first. And I want you to notice that from my first point to my second, I am dropping down 5. That's a negative rise. So negative 5. And I'm running 5 also in the positive. So negative 5 divided by 5 equals negative 1. So that's my slope. I need to find my y-intercept, and this time it is actually at negative 5. So 0, comma, negative 5. And I'm ready to write my inequality. Let me just make sure I have that little symbol ready. Okay, so write inequality with a box symbol. So that is going to be y. We don't know. And then the slope is negative 1x minus 5. And I could have written that as just negative x plus 5. I'm going to write it like that. Okay, so now I'm going to test for shading. And what I'm going to do is just plug in my test point. And I'm going to use 0, 0. Yay, because I can. I can see that 0, 0 is on the shaded side. So I'm going to replace the letter y with 0. I'm going to replace the letter x with 0. And I'm going to simplify this a little bit. So, gosh, you guys. What I'm coming out with when I replace it is that 0 is greater than negative 5. That's really what I find out. So I'm comparing 0 and negative 5, and 0 is greater than. So this means that my final answer is y is greater than negative x minus 5. And if you want to see more examples, you will have to watch my next video.